From the start of the new calendar year right through to the Christmas productions and festivities, a school hall is a very busy place and is used for a variety of activities and events. The efficiency, usability and flexibility of floor space is therefore of paramount importance. There are many benefits associated with our primary and secondary school staging platforms, including our unique and unrivalled lifetime warranty. This offers a guarantee to the original purchaser of a staging system that our products are free from defects in workmanship and materials. Looking more closely at the physical attributes of our school stage platforms, they are extremely versatile, lightweight and compact to store. They're also simple to assemble and disassemble. Our platforms come with securely fastened beach finished decks, which can be polished, tiled or carpeted to achieve your desired finish. The wide range of colours also allows the system to fit in with any scheme or style within a school hall. Many accessories are available to complement the stage, including steps, valance curtains, backdrop curtains, fascia panels, handrails, chair holding borders, storage trolleys, lecterns and sound and light kits. We can fully customise your order to meet your exact needs and specification. Our school staging platforms are compact when stored, and a complete stage of up to 40 metres squared can be stored in just 2 metres squared of floor space. The staging can also be used for outdoor activities and events such as creating a tiered seating arrangement for your school sports day.